This is the Amazon Basics Halo rechargeable LED table lamp. This product comes in only one color, that is white. This LED lamp is made in China. The halo circle of this lamp comprises of 40 individual LED bulbs which are visible on the low brightness. Once the brightness is turned to the max, it looks like a giant LED circle. Thing to remember is that a lot of people have given it 1-star reviews stating that the brightness was too low. In fact, in reality, the brightness can be easily managed while touching and holding onto the button. So do not return the product because of low brightness. The product has 1800 mAh inbuilt lithium-ion battery which takes some time to charge. It comes with only the USB cable but not with an adapter. It is a 9-watt dimming halo LED with 3 colors: cool daylight, neutral white and the warm white. Warm white is the brightest color of all. Inside the box you get the user manual, the LED lamp and a micro USB charging cable. Thing to remember is that this light can be rotated in any direction and flexibility is its strongest point. You can even use this light for making your YouTube videos. Charging indicator turns blue when it is powered on. The light of this lamp is turned on with the slightest touch on top of the button. You do not need to press it, it will immediately sense your finger when it is put on top of it. When you keep on tapping the finger on the sensor, it will change to 3 different color themes and will eventually turn off. If you want to increase or decrease the brightness, simply touch and hold the button. And if you want to buy this, I will leave a link in the description for you.